Hello, this is question 6 on your June 2019 paper 1 from Edexcel, and you have to solve for this interval this equation. You have to give your answer to one decimal place. So we have a double angle and a single angle. So the first thing we are going to do is to use the double angle formula and substitute that. So remember, sine 2 theta is to sine cos. Is in the formula booklet. Well, it's not. In the formula booklet, you have sine of a plus b, but it's very easy to deduce the double angle from there. So you have 5 times 2. I'm going to write already 10 sine theta cos theta. And instead of tan, I'm going to write already sine divided by cos. To solve this equation, I would say, Joe, the first thing you want to do is to cancel this sign. But remember, every time you cancel a variable, you have to consider that one solution could be that this variable is equal to 0. Yeah, so it doesn't happen when you cancel a number, but every time you cancel x or sine x or e to the power of x or something like that, you have to consider that if you cancel sine x with sine x, one option would have been sine x equal to 0. Yeah, because that makes this equal to this. So it's a solution to this equation. So this is 1. And the other option is that 10 cos theta, once you have cancelled, is 9 divided by cos. Yeah, which means if I multiply by cos, I have 10 cos squared, theta is 9, which means cos theta is going to be square root of 9, 10 over 10. Yeah. From here, I'm going to separate both solutions, yeah? So from here, sine theta equals 0 means that theta is going to be 0. And in this interval, minus 180 and 180, the other solutions, so if you see your circle, sine 0, I'm going to put it here, sine 0, so we are here. The same is 180 and minus 180. All of them have sine equal to 0. Yeah. So my solutions are 0, minus 180, and 180. Yeah. This is the first part. Then for the second part, I have that cos theta is plus and minus. Don't forget, when I have a root, that I can have a positive and a negative answer to that. So then I have that theta is 18.434. That's the answer with the calculator when I have the positive one. This angle is here. Yeah, so if I think about this angle, I need another angle with the same sign. Sine is the vertical one, so it will be the symmetrical here. Yeah, because it has the same sign. So the angle is this one, which is 180 minus 18.43. Yeah, and that angle is 161.565 degrees. Yeah. The other option is when I have the minus 1. So when I have the minus 1, I have that theta is minus 18.434, and for the same reason, so that would be an angle here. The symmetrical would be the same sign. So I will have minus 161.565. Yeah, because this is the same angle that this. So this one is positive, the other would be symmetrical, so negative. Yeah, so those are my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 answers. They say to round to one decimal place. So I'm going to round the ones that I need to round. So theta would be, and we can write them in order. So minus 161.6 degrees, minus 18.4 degrees. And I missed I don't know why I write them in order. You don't need to write them in order if you don't want to, yeah? So minus 180 degrees, then 0, then 18.4 degrees, 161.6 degrees and 190 degrees. No, so I have 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, those are my answers. Then for B, it says deduce the smallest positive solution to this equation. You compare this equation with this one, and theta is going to be x minus 25, which means that x, so x is going to be x minus 25 is equivalent to theta, which means that I'm going to find x, I just need to add 25 to my thetas. I need to look for the smallest one, smallest positive solution. So if I look at my answers here, when I add 25, the smallest is, and for this is a good idea to have them in order, really. When I add 25, the smallest positive answer is going to be this one. So when I add 25, this one to this one is going to be the smallest solution. So the smallest solution is going to be minus 18 point, what was it? 18.4 plus 25, which is 6.6 degrees. 6.6 degrees. Yeah, that's the smallest. And that's all with this question, really.